We're going to do like a quick little ed puzzles on ionization energy and electronegativity, okay? Here's question number 1. Which one of these two atoms, A or B, which one of these two atoms would have the lowest ionization energy? Which one of these two atoms will have the lowest ionization energy? Okay? Answer was A. All right. Question number 2. What would the first ionization of aluminum look like? Here's aluminum. What would the first ionization of aluminum look like? This is 283. So if I drew a Bohr model with the first ionization of aluminum, what would it look like? It would look like this. Now, this is aluminum. This is 282 now. What would the charge of this atom be? This is the first ionization of aluminum. It's 282. What would the charge be? It would be aluminum plus 1 if we stopped right here. All right? It would be aluminum plus 1. Next question. Aluminum plus 1 looks like a Bohr model of magnesium, but is it bigger or smaller than magnesium? Is aluminum plus 1, it looks like magnesium, but would the atom be bigger or smaller? The answer is it would be smaller. Okay? Next question. Why is aluminum plus 1 smaller than magnesium? Okay? Is it protons, neutrons, electrons? And you'll have some answer choices for these. You'll have answer choices. All right, we're going to move on. Now we're going to talk about electronegativity, electronegativity. Question number whatever we're on. Which is the most electronegative element on the periodic table? All right. The answer is fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative. All right. Question number 2. Which one of these two atoms would be the most electronegative? Which would be the most electronegative? Would it be A or would it be B? The answer is B. B is the most electronegative. Okay. Next question. List these from strongest to weakest when we're talking about electronegativity. List these from strongest to weakest when we're talking about electronegativity. List these guys right here. I hope they're on the screen. Yeah. List these guys right here from strongest to weakest. Okay? Great. Now here's the answer. I'll put it over here. The most electronegative would be fluorine. And then carbon is the next one closest to it. And then copper is the next one closer to it. And then magnesium is further to the right, and then sodium. So there is the order you should have put it in. Okay? I have one last question. Give me 2 reasons that this atom's valence electron Give me 2 reasons that this electron would be easy to remove. Why would this electron be easy to remove? Give me 2 reasons. Okay? Here are the 2 reasons that should have been your answer. 1, it is very far from the nucleus. And reason number 2, all of these electrons are getting in the way. So reason number 2 would be electron shielding. All right, thanks for playing.